Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook pepperoni pizza. First, let's prepare our delicious pizza dough. You'll need 350 grams of all-purpose flour, 250 milliliters of warm water, 7 grams of active dry yeast, 5 grams of salt, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Activate the yeast, then combine all ingredients. Knead for 8 to 10 minutes until smooth, then let it rise for 1 to 2 hours. This crucial step ensures a light and airy crust, the perfect foundation for our pepperoni masterpiece. Next, let's assemble our pizza with a flavorful sauce and generous toppings. For the sauce, use a 400-gram can of crushed tomatoes, 2 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of dried oregano, and a half teaspoon of dried basil. Roll out your dough to a 12-inch circle. Spread the sauce, leaving a 1-inch crust border. Then, layer 150 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese and 75 grams of pepperoni slices. This combination creates that classic, irresistible taste we all love. Now for the exciting part, baking. Preheat your oven to a scorching 230 degrees Celsius or 450 degrees Fahrenheit with a pizza stone or baking steel inside. This high heat is key for a crispy crust. Carefully slide your assembled pizza onto the hot surface. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is beautifully bubbly and slightly charred. Keep a close eye on it to ensure perfection, rotating if needed for even cooking. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for. Once your pizza is perfectly baked, carefully remove it from the oven. Let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes. This helps the cheese set and prevents toppings from sliding off. For an extra touch, you can garnish with fresh basil or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan. Then, using a sharp pizza cutter, slice your masterpiece into 8 delicious wedges. Serve immediately and savor every bite of your incredible homemade pepperoni pizza. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.